Lookup fields are great when you want to see upper or lower levels of hierarchy. But to use them, you have to understand relations really well. So let's say I have a hierarchy like product, feature, and user story. And product has a collection of features, and feature has a collection of user stories. But there is no relation between product and user story. So if we open any user story, we can see a related feature, but we don't see related product. Maybe you want to have this information, and lookup is a great way to have this. Let's add a new lookup field. So here we are going to display a product from the feature. So you select a feature, it is related to user story, and for feature we want to have a product field. And we should name this lookup somehow. Feature product sounds good. Let's add it. Now you see the product is displayed right there. Note that this field is not editable, so just inherited from feature. So basically you just took information from a feature and displayed it here. And let's navigate to the product. So you have a product with a couple of objectives, insights, and so on, and features, but maybe you want to see all user stories as well. And you can create a lookup that will display a collection of user story from another like side or relation. In this case, you should again select a lookup from features, and from feature we'll have user stories, a collection of all user stories. Let's name it right here, and let's edit. And now we should see collection of all user stories. Here is it. Maybe we even want to customize it to, let's say, show a feature. So now, as you see, you can display a lower level of hierarchy in a product type. Let's reiterate things. So you have product, feature, and user story hierarchy, but user story has no relation to product. But still, using lookup field, you can see a product for user story, and on the product side, you can see a collection of user stories. Okay. Now, since we do have a field, a product field, we can display it here, like feature product, and we can even create a board, like a board view, and group our user stories by product. Here is it. Definitely it's not possible to use like drag and drop here. You will see an exception since this field is calculated. You can't manipulate this field directly.